Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a what fits in my Coach bags. Here on the left, we have the Coach Fin Crossbody, and then here on the right, the Coach Rowan in the color Tumeric, which is this very beautiful yellow. I've actually been kind of switching between both of these, so using the same accessories actually. So you will get to see first what's in the Rowan. And I guess first I'll show you the accessories. So I do have my signature C here in the black. I believe it's called gunmetal. I'm not sure, but for me it's easier just to call it black. And then y'all, this Minnie Mouse, I actually found this on Amazon, and it was actually lighter on Amazon. It looked more like a stainless steel color, but when I received it, it was darker. I have the Mickey also. The Mickey is a little bit lighter. So I figured that this was perfect, and it looks like Minnie just has her hands up presenting the Coach to you as well. And then on the back, I do have the gunmetal chain, which is actually a crossbody strap, and I just looped it through, added a B here because the yellow of course goes with the turmeric, and then the flowers, it brings out the colors in the strap. And also I figured it went hand in hand, get it, the B and the flowers. All right, so that's really it on this one. This is the strap. Also, everything y'all I found on Amazon, I really need to go ahead and start putting everything in the Amazon store. That will make it much easier for everyone to find everything. But this strap, this color here, to me popped with the purse, and I figured the rest of the colors would also add to it as well and kind of help brighten it up. Since the trim and everything is darker, I figured this was a very nice strap to help bring out the turmeric in it, as well as complement the accessories and the charms. So as far as what I have inside, I do have 2 wristlets, a long zip wallet, and then this, I cannot recall the name of this larger pouch here, is also a wristlet, but I do have a total of 3 wristlets and a long zip wallet in here. So this is a vintage Coach leatherware wristlet. It does have the silver hardware on it, so that was perfect for the fan crossbody in the back, and still went well with this as well. And then I also have my black denim, signature denim wristlet that matches perfectly with the fan crossbody. This also has a strap, and I just have my keys in here. This has a crossbody strap, this has a wristlet strap as well that matches, but I just took it off and placed it inside with my keys. And then my other wristlet that I was mentioning, it's a 1941 wristlet. I can't recall the name of it, but it does have the glove tan leather. You've probably seen it before in previous videos. So I just have my ink pen in here and a marker, and an excessive amount of lip gloss and eye makeup in here. Of course, I usually just wear 1 lip gloss, but if I have room, I will pack more than 1. And then y'all, I have my long zip wallet, Dooney & Burke wallet, but I completely forgot that I actually have a Coach wallet that is going to match this perfectly. So I'm actually going to unwrap this and switch out from my Dooney & Burke wallet to my Coach wallet. So I'll do that now, since I've taken everything out of the Tumeric Rowan. I'll go ahead and unwrap this other wallet here. And this is the code and information for it before I tear up the plastic. And y'all, I've had this for a while. I want to say I got this during maybe Cyber Monday, I believe. So that lets you know how long I've had it. And this is the perfect bag or set of bags to wear it with. And I'm not sure if this is considered a unisex wallet or if it is indeed a men's wallet. It is just plain black with the signature embossed C's on it. The zipper is gunmetal, which of course can go well with the silver metal as well. It does have an outside slip pocket. And let's take a look on the inside. And I did get this from the Coach Outlet website, but it was under retail items. So this has a total of 6 card slots on each side. And it does have a slip pocket behind the card slots for extra storage, which is always good. A good look at the inside. And then let's see, you unzip it. It does have the tag in here. And this is the information again. It's an Accordian signature embossed wallet. So this is going to replace my Dooney & Bourke wallet. And it will just be these items itself that I'm going to put into the fan crossbody. So I'm going to quickly just place my items in here and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I got everything switched out into my new signature wallet. And then just to show you how I accessorize the fan crossbody. And y'all, this is a very good carry as well. It feels really light. It reminds me of the Laurel so much because with the strap being a wide web strap, it's light on my shoulder. So it feels like regardless of what I put in it, it feels like it's nothing in it. Like it's like a really light as a feather. But I just have a key here. Key charm on the side. Of course, I draped my crossbody chain here and I put the silver signature C keychain charm in the center because this is a men's bag, so it does not have a Coach logo or anything on it. So I figured I'd make my own logo out of the charm, and it worked. And then on the side with the Coach tag, I do have a heart charm. It also has a bow tie or a bow on it and a star as well. And then I do have my black cherries with the silver hardware. And then on the back, another silver chain also, just draped across the side. And then the other side, I do have this little bitty apple. Y'all, it's so funny when you order the apple charms and keychains from Amazon, you don't know what size you're going to get because I've ordered an apple from Amazon and it was like twice the size of this, but the pictures look the same, so you kind of don't know until you actually get it unless they have a picture with it in hand on the actual website. But that's the size I got, so it still matches perfectly. It actually matches the cherries. So but those are the accessories for the exterior. I do have an organizer inside of this bag. I don't prefer my bags to slouch, and I kind of figured that it would slouch without it in here. So I carried it with the items inside of the organizer. So this time with me switching back into it, I am going to take the organizer out and see how it carries without the organizer if it has more structure to it, or if it indeed is gonna slouch more. So we shall see. So just putting everything in here, y'all, the same items that was in the Rowan. That makes it much easier to switch between the two. And again, this is the Signature Denim wristlet, and this is the retail item. As you see, y'all, and I mentioned in the unboxing for the Fan Crossbody, there's not really a difference in these at all. I think I just showed you the soft tabby. I did not show you the wristlet, but these are pretty much the same. So thank you, Coach, for doing that, because that makes it much more easy to have the accessories interchange between the two. And then even with putting this in here, y'all, of course I still have room for my phone. Keys are already in here inside of the wristlet, but that's really it. The same 3 wristlets and my long zip wallet. Everything fits in here, and there's room for more. So again, this is a very good carry if you all are thinking about adding this to your collection, because as of yet they have not come out with a black signature denim on the women's side as of yet. So this to me is a unisex bag, and it's working out great for me, so no complaints. Excuse me. I did see a couple of comments that let me know that some of you did grab the Fan Crossbody. It is still available, and actually now when you search denim on the outlet website, it actually comes up under there with the rest of the denim items also, so you don't have to search as hard for it or select men's anymore. So I don't know if that's something that Coach went ahead and did, or possibly did this on purpose because they didn't actually come out with the black signature denim this time for the women. But I'm glad they did it this way, and this bag, with this bag only being $159, and it's about the same size as the Laurel, and the Laurel is usually about $219, I believe, the large Laurel. I'm not mad at it, y'all. $219 or $229, I can never recall which one. I think I get that price mixed up with the Terry Hobo. But as you see, it does have a little slouch in the center without the organizer in it. And I wear this on my shoulder as well as a crossbody, and it works well as a crossbody bag. And I'm actually enjoying it with it, everything being black with the silver. I think it helps the silver stand out more. And I can always add a strap to this if I wanted to, but I'm actually glad and happy with the strap that came with it. So these are my 2 carries that I am switching between at the moment. If I want a pop of color and a top handle carry, I just switch to the Coach Rowan. And I still have the option for a shoulder carry as well as a crossbody here with this strap. Excuse me. And this strap qualifies as multi-color, even though it's not a bag, it's an accessory. So at the completed look, this month is still multicolor March. So I am going to submit my strap for multicolor March since it's an accessory. But let me know what you all think about both of these. Which one would you say, excuse me, would be your favorite between the two? The black signature denim or the Tumeric Coach Rowan? And this is the regular Rowan. But I look forward to reading you all's comments. And I'm pretty sure we're all looking forward to seeing what Coach has for us next. everyone is anticipating the release of the pink signature canvas collection that's coming out. And we shall see how that goes, y'all. Let me know if you all are planning to get any of those pieces and which silhouettes you're planning to get as well. I think I have an idea of which silhouette I want. I'm not 100% sure because I've seen a lot of pictures and videos of it, but we'll see, y'all. But again, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. If you've made it this far and you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as well as thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.